Nothing this time. The previous one he did catch a Wumpy Queen. And the top of a beer can.
Bottle.
Yeah, beer bottle, sorry. Nada. Nearly had that branch.
Alright. I don't get a big Yorkshire pudding. Size one. Oh, I like it.
Nothing.
Some people walk past and
Yeah. You got something?
Oh, I have.
Nothing underneath? Yes? A ring
Ring
pole!
pole.
Show the camera.
Whoop, whoop.
He's got a ring pole.
Now we're fishing.
It's quite big as well compared to now. What size is that?
Old school ring. 1980s. Could be a 76 model, that one.
It's very nice around here though.
Very peaceful. Apart
Very-
from the train.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got to do my team by 7 o'clock tonight.
Yep. Mine's done and sorted. Anything this time? Wrong way.
Nope.
Oh.
Pretty sure I'm just throwing it in the same spot every time. I'll get the little one out. See if I can throw that further.
Oh.
Right there.
De nada. Let's have a little leash with no one. Shit, what about that? Ah, pip. There we go. Nice throw. Somehow it splashed on this and all.
From the rope. Canal water. Canal shower.
No.
Hello, my feet.
Getting there, getting there. There we go. Well, so far we got a penny and a ring pull. Very old ring pull though.
Oh, I see.
It's huge compared to that. Yeah, got us a penny. And a bottle top.
Oh, there you go. You never know. You never know.
Never know what you find.
Mike used to go diving in the dock in Liverpool, and they used to come out with
The Albert
engagement
Dock
rings
in
all the
Liverpool
time.
is quite a tourist attraction,
Yeah.
and you can dive in the dock, and everybody would say, "Why would you?" And the answer is, at this time of year, it's beautiful. I know it sounds stupid, but the jellyfish bloom, and it's like a scene from Avatar. With these beautiful little inch baby jellyfish are all in the wet. It's absolutely amazing. But as you're swimming along the bottom, there are you find. The number of mobile phones that you find.
Yeah.
I'll just get this selfie. Oh dear.
And
The engagement rings are the other thing,
Oh,
Oh
yeah.
wow.
and it's
Yeah.
and
And what you got, you're allowed to keep, right?
yeah. So we found one, and
Knuckle duster was the other thing.
knuckle duster, and we found one. Took it to the local police station. Said, look, we're going to hand this in. The guy said, what for? And I said, what do you mean? He said, if you hand it in, well, I didn't. The guys from the club said, what for? And he said, if you hand it in to us, it will go into the general pool. And he said, at some point it'll get auctioned off. We'll get a fraction of the value, and no one will care. He said, I'd keep it for the club funds if I did.
Oh nice.
And we did. Sounds like a good idea. So the very best of luck. Correct me if I'm wrong, you're unlikely to get gold out of it.
No, that's very true. Very true.
Have a good afternoon.
You too.
So yeah, we found 2 cans of fossils. Nail.
Got a nail?
Or something. Something metally.
Squirrel.
Wirral.
Squirrel.
Oh, that is nearly all my rope.
Uh,
Oh, there's a big knot. Go on, darling. Give it a launch. Plastic hand. Every now and again it just feels really hard to pull. Find that gun that someone just thrown in. Quick, get rid of that. I'll take it home. Got me to fire it, you can bring it in. Not gonna hold it yet.
I got the end of it.
Okay.
I'm standing on some of it though. Wow. Just swell.
Big fry.
Very big fry. Tightening up like that.
Nice when it's tight, you can lean back on it.
Like that.
Quite clearly to say, but there's nothing down here. Keeps coming up at the same edge.
2 squirrels. Out there. Both following each other.
Oh yeah. Thank you, Chase. Big something.
What's that? Nail.
Might be. I like to think it's an arrow. Medieval arrowhead.
See where mine is and I can see where yours is.
stuck. So 6 foot across the back. Maybe time to whack it. Get caught this time 6 foot away from the back. Back.
Nail. Yeah, I've got the end of a nail.
Something there, look.
Where?
100%. Something there. Dislodging.
Sure it's not a branch and it's going to get stuck.
It's metal, I can feel it. Nail. Put back in the hill.
Did you?
Oh no. It's spearing straight to the fish. Or a fish. Yeah, fish is flying again. Oh, that's heavy. 2 nails.
Hey.
Is that a nail? What's that?
Got a tug?
Whoa. It's stuck there. It's definitely just can't matter. I've been there yet. Keep playing the same
That one spot.